Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to redeem TikTok earnings to PayPal. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so how your payouts are calculated on TikTok. So you can select the price of your series from the provided drop down menu ranging from $0.99 to $189.99. Payouts are calculated based on a number of series excess purchase. So to view your payments on TikTok, just in the TikTok app, tap profile at the bottom, tap menu button at the top, then select balance, and then just tap on others and select monthly earnings. And to receive your payment, if the total amount of payment accumulated on your account from a series is equal or exceeds $50 or equivalent local currency, your payment will be sent to you automatically on 15th of each month. But before your payment is sent to you, you will be prompted to set up or link your existing PayPal account. So complete the text form and verify your identity, and make sure to provide the required information, as otherwise you may be subjected to mandatory withholding and be ineligible to participate in series. In applicable jurisdictions, where registered creators must issue a proper VAT invoice to TikTok. To simplify this requirement, if you read and accept the TikTok self-billing agreement, TikTok can issue the invoices on your behalf. If you are a taxable person, you will be prompted to complete the self-billing agreement before your first payment is sent to you. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.